this is just from a student's perspective because I'm always on fire to learn because there's always something new to learn, right? Because there's always someone new to meet, another cellular being. But this is what I learned about nursery school or a classroom. And that is that if you pass the logic test, you graduated. Because passing the logic test as a cell, as a logical processor, a cellular processor, when you've learned to equally share electrical power, you pass the logic test. That's called graduation. That's what interstellar activation is, which means you're not holding on to any electrons. You're using all of your electrons to be a server. Wow, a self-generating platform. Ta-da! Wow, you're running your own radio star. Yeah. A self-generating communication platform, which means we're running on DC power. Wow, that's direct current. That's right. Plugged into an eternal sun. That's right. That's what the logic test is. You pass the logic test. So when you know as a child it failed the logic test, something is feeding on our electrical power. That's called a fall. So we honor the first electron because the first electron donor is always gifting electrons, forever and always on duty as an eternal battery, as an eternal sun, because it's logical that an eternal cell phone would be doing that. That's the logic test. So when I was a child, I'm checking boxes. It fails the logic test. It fails the logic test. It's breaking a circuit. It's breaking a circuit. It's breaking a circuit. It's breaking a circuit. Man, we got to rebuild this motherboard. Rebuild the circuits. That's called restoration, knowing how to rebuild something. Like rebuild the universe. The universal spin of an atom. It's in equal balance, which means it's not spinning out of control and it's not generating a wobble. I know, Mama. That's why we're here.